it will be available for you. So as we are talking about the block, block is nothing actually. Block is like um, this is a block, right?
Okay.
Block. Block starts with a opening curly braces and end with an end curly braces.
Okay.
So this is a block.
Mm.
Where is my? Okay. So this is a block actually.
Yes.
Okay. Also, let me give another example of block. Block could be like this. This is another block.
Okay.
This is also a block, but this block we can call it's a tri block.
Okay.
We can call this is a tri block, but all right. And then for this is also a block. We can call it for block.
Okay. For block, try block, and for block.
For block. Do you know about the method and functions? Little bit?
No.
No. Okay. And this is also a block actually.
Okay.
This is also a block. We call it this is block. We call this is a main block. All right.
Main block. Okay.
This is a main block. Simple because in front of this block, it's a method. There is a method name called main. That's why we call it a main block, main method block.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. Yes.
And this block, except this one, this block doesn't have any name. So we call it this kind of block. We'll call anonymous block.
Okay.
If I'm not spelling is wrong. However, this called anonymous.
Anonymous. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Anonymous. Right now, spelling is correct. Anonymous
Yes.
block. Because if this block doesn't have any name, all right?
Right.
All right. So inside the block, there could be a block. No problem. No problem. Like there could be a block. Two blocks. Inside the tri block, there is a two other blocks. All right.
Okay.
All right. So if I write some coding here, like declare someone, we'd like to declare some variable like int I. What is this? This is I, and I is a
variable.
integer variable.
Integer. Yeah.
This is I, and I is a integer variable. Or maybe we can change it to Jamal. All right. The variable name is Jamal. We can we write Jamal or no problem.
Yes.
Whatever
Yes.
we can write. Whatever we like,
Yes.
we can write a variable name. Doesn't matter. But the variable name convention is camel case. So Jamal.
Camel case. Okay. It should be in J capital.
Camel case. Camel case is starting
small.
with small.
Yeah.
Starting with small. The Jamal pattern.
Starting.
It's
Okay.
an integer. So
Yeah.
the Jamal pattern, what happened here outside the block? I'm writing outside the block. Jamal pattern equal to let's initialize Jamal Pathan with 5.
Okay.
But it gives me, it's supposed to give me error because, you know, Jamal Pathan, what is the text in the yellow? Can you read? Jamal Pathan cannot be
5.
resolved to
Okay.
a
5.
variable.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, can you see the text? The
Yes, sir.
yellow text?
Yes.
Okay. It say that Jamal Pathan cannot be resolved to a variable. Actually, let's back to our that mechanism. The Jamal Pathan cannot be recognized
Cannot
from
be
other
resolved
village, from other village.
ever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or in district level, Jamal Pathan is not recognized. Jamal Pathan is only recognized. Jamal Pathan could be only recognized inside his village or inside
Okay.
his block only. He could not be recognized other than his block, his village.
Okay.
All right.
All
So
right.
now if I write Jamal Pathan in other blocks, some other block, it will give me error, same error, that
Right.
Jamal Pathan cannot be resolved to a variable.
Right.
All right, sir. Okay, this is very
Yes.
interesting thing actually. This we need to understand very clearly. This is very, is it simple?
Yes. So it is belongs to the try.
It's belong to try, so
Yeah.
it must be initialized in the try block.
Yeah. That is the domain for the person.
Yeah, Jamal Pathan scope of Jamal Pathan is inside this block only.
Right.
Okay, not other block. If I write other block, that Jamal Pathan number 5, so they also in other village or other block, Jamal Pathan scope is very limited to a single block. All right.
Okay.
All right. So we are talking about the block and the scope. Okay, let's do some another thing. Let's make Jamal Pathan inside the try block. All right.
Okay.
Okay, Jamal Pathan could be assigned by 5, no problem. Let's change the value of Jamal Pathan with 10. 10. Inside the try block, though there is another
Yeah.
block, it doesn't matter. But
Okay.
try this block, these two block, this block and this block are
Yes.
inside this try block.
Try block. Yes.
So inside a district, if he is a district level or try block level variable, he could be, his scope is inside any block of this try block, no problem. The fact is, when we declare a variable inside a block, it will be also available. The scope will be also available inside any nested block of inside his parent block, his own block. These are the child block actually.
Right.
These are the child block respectively to the try block. These are the child blocks. Okay, and this is the member. Jamal Pathan is a member of this try block. And these two blocks are the child block of try block. So Jamal Pathan scope, the integer Jamal Pathan scope is limited to the try block anywhere.
Right.
Limited to the try block, no problem. But Jamal Pathan is not available to the other block.
Right.
He is not available. His scope is out of bound. Okay, he don't have any scope here. And also, though the try block, this block and this block, anonymous block, and this main block, though are in the same level, it doesn't matter. But one block member could not don't have any scope to other block. This is very easy thing actually. I think maybe you could understand. And one things to understand, that is all three block. This is a main block, this is anonymous block, and this is and this is for block.
Yeah.
All three blocks, you know, this try block and this anonymous block and this main block, the all three blocks are resides under the
Main block.
no under the class block. This is
Class.
Thanksgiving
Okay.
holiday. All right.
Yeah.
So this block, we can call it Thanksgiving holiday, BLOCK.
Okay. Oh, okay. The project name.
Yeah, this is also block. Am I right?
Yes.
Because block, the definition of block is they must have this one and this one, opening and closing. Inside opening and closing, if it's happen anywhere, then we can say it a block. All right. So this is a Thanksgiving holiday. Maybe we can add one more word, CLASS, to understand properly. Thanksgiving holiday class block. No problem.
Right.
Main. This is a function or method. Method block. If you tell someone that I am inside, please write some code inside the main method block, then the programmer will come and write his code here. He don't write here. He don't write here because he understand your language. He will understood your language. Okay. This is the block concept. Is it okay or clear to you?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So maybe I can do some extra things. If this, what is this? This is a if block.
In block.
If block. Okay. And then else. This is else block.
Okay.
This is actually if block, and this is else block. If someone asks someone to please write some code in the else block, then they will come and write some code here. Do some code here.
Okay.
So, and then maybe we can do something here. Else, if the condition is much more bigger, if we need to check a lot more condition, then we can write else this.
Okay.
So else if there is a condition statement, that's why we have to put some first bracket. Inside the first bracket, we have to write the condition. True. Okay, true. All right.
Okay.
Sonar bhai. Assalamu
আমি ক্লাস করতে আসি দেখা করতে, আর আমি তো বাসায় গেছিলাম আপনার ওইখানে আপনার কিবোর্ড আর মাউস রয়েছে। আমি না আমি অনেক সকালে আপনি আসবেন না।
আচ্ছা।
এখানে
I'm with now actually I have Mr. Hamid from Dallas. We'll do some practice. Actually, Hamid bhai, one of my brother,
You can talk.
okay, one of my brother, he also doing Java like you. So he's also from New York, Jamaica,
Tonight,
and tonight he's
going to the
going to the New York. His brother name is Saurabh Bhai. He just came to meet with me. He also, like you, he is actually journalist in Bangladesh, very senior journalist, and joint secretary of Journalist Association. And he's
Right.
going to fly to New York today. And maybe he do some Java class from me, and maybe he can do from New York.
আমিও তার সাথে মাঝে মাঝে অনলাইনে দেখে এখনো
Of course. Okay. And this is Hamid Bhai. He's from Dallas, as I told you, and he's actually electrical engineer. He do very fantastic things in Dallas, actually. আমি শুনছি আপনি বাসায় আসছেন, আমি বলছি নাস্তা পানি করছেন বাসায়?
হ্যাঁ,
নাস্তা পানি
না করছি।
আচ্ছা, আমি বলছি নাস্তা পানি আমি বলছি আমি বেঁচে আছি।
ঠিক আছে, আপনি কাজ করেন, আমি চলে যাই।
আপনি কেন আপনারা তো যোগাযোগ করতে পারি না।
আমি এই 2 দিনে আসলে ভালো হইতো, ক্লাস করতে, কিন্তু এত ব্যস্ত, এত ঝামেলা এখনো আছে যে অনেক কিছু কাজ গুছাতে পারি না। আজকে বেরিয়েছি, সারাদিন বাইরে থাকছি,
অনেক হার্ড টাইম যাবে আজকে।
আজকে যাবে এই
আমরা যে যারা বিদেশিতে যায় থাকি তো আশেপাশে, ভীষণ হার্ড টাইমের মধ্যে থাকে।
ওকে,
আচ্ছা আপনি বসেন।
না, বসবো না।
হ্যাভ সাম টি, আমি বলি
না
চা
আমি
চা খাবো
না কিচ্ছু খাবো না, কিচ্ছু খাবো না। আমার
কেমন হলাম নাস্তা পানি বসে নাই ভাই?
না
চলো ভাই, আপনি আসছেন কষ্ট করে।
আমি যাই,
ওখানে সব
লাইব্রেরিতে কালকে ভোর 6:55 স্কুল গিয়ে
চলে যাচ্ছে। Yes, Hamid bhai, just
Yes.
sorry, but just took your time sometime.
No.
He's
fine.
also one of my students.
So we are in the
EFELS.
if else.
EFELS, okay. Whatever the name it is, Hamid bhai, whatever the name it is, if or else, it doesn't matter actually. Please follow. There is a blog. We are maintaining some kind of blog.
Yes.
Maintaining some kind of blog.
Okay.
Very important. Yeah, to that. Just a second, Hamid bhai.
Okay.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Good evening. Good afternoon. Hello. Call on. But I'm just কিছু মিনিট পর আমি ফ্রি হয়ে যাব। বলুন, I'm in some kind of meeting. Right. Yeah, actually we are maintaining some kind of blog somehow. This is called method, but actually this is the opening block of that method, and this is the closing block of that method, which is
Yeah. Main. That's,
okay. And this is, we are also always maintaining some kind of block somewhere. Let's close, let's delete everything except we don't need those things. And this is the, what kind of block it is? Thanksgiving holiday
yes.
block, or
Class
CL
block.
class. We don't write any block anywhere, but we think this is a block, and but we write in class. All right. However, always we are maintaining block. This is the one important things to understand. However, this is a true. Sorry, this is if, and then else if. You know that. I think you can remember. And this is
Yes.
else. If we would like to check two conditions, then we have to extend it to else if. If we like to check three conditions, then we have to extend it to three. Another one. And then else. Else. If we like to make very simple, like one condition, then we don't need these two extra thing.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do some simple exercise. Let's declare some variable int holiday equals to 5. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. If it's okay, then let's do some checking. Like that, if the holiday is greater than 10, then it will be annual holiday or celebration. It will be celebration. Huh? Then how could we check? Let's HOLIDAY. Holiday is greater than 10. Then we can write CELEBRATION, celebration day.
All right.
Else, if the holiday is not greater than 10, then what does it mean? It means holiday is less than 10. Am I right?
Yeah.
Is it logical? If the holiday is not greater than 10, then it must be less than 10.
Okay.
Actually, cows are eating grasses and man's eating cow. It
Right.
means that man's eating grasses. So this is the logic actually we have to follow.
Okay.
Computer understand this logic. Without this logic, this is, though it's a dumb logic, but computer only follow this logic. Cow eat grass, man eat cow, so man equal to man eat grass. Okay, this is the logic. So if the holiday is greater than 10, then we understand that holiday is not less than 10. Or if the holiday is not greater than 10, then the holiday must be less than 10. So we can understand that it will be
Less than 10.
So how was your
Celebration. It was good.
not celebration actually, the Islamic Song
Yes.
Festival? Am I right?
Yeah. The Prophet birthday.
Or the Prophet birthday when?
Yesterday was the celebration.
Yesterday was our Prophet birthday?
No, they celebrate on that day because they have to book the hall and people came from Pakistan.
Oh,
Kuwait.
I see. Oh, then you perform the birthday at another time because of the arrangement.
Yeah, because our arrangement and
I
the
understand.
poets. Yeah.
I understood. That's wonderful.
So
I think you
it will
passed a
go
wonderful time.
it will go all month. Still people are doing it.
Oh, I see. So you are passing so wonderful time over there.
Yeah, it was nice.
Wonderful, wonderful. Alhamdulillah. So then what could we write here? Could you please write something like System Out Printle and Celebration Day? Or do you understand this thing?
Yes.
Okay, if you understand, then you can print the things, I think.
Okay.
Please just allow me to take the call and please write the System Out things.
Right. There are youngsters also attended, and they was brought on the stage, and they say a little hadith that be soft with the fellow brothers, sisters,
Yes.
and then the other one say that always try to hide the don't try to find the pinpoint somebody's error, so try to avoid.
Yes, yes, you're right. You're right.
And then another youngsters, he came on the stage.
Just a
He,
second, Hamid bhai, please. Hello.
just decide one day and then celebrate.
Okay.
It,
जी,
it
बोलें.
should be on a daily basis.
और मल्टीप्लेक्स तो जो छोटे रूम है, हाँ, तो ये 12 रूम है. जी, yeah, sorry, bye.
Yeah.
Yes, I understood. Actually, actually, someone, Allah put someone in the situation and make other to realize what happening. So be careful like this. Like my just recently my security guard, as my security died, Allah actually tried to tell us that be careful.
Right.
He just passed away with a short notice. If we are understood that if someone feels some sickness for month after month and then passed away, then we understood that okay, that's where it's okay. But he just passed away with short notice, so 2-3 days maximum.
Yeah.
Very sudden.
Oh.
Very suddenly.
Life is not sure, definite. It can be happen anytime. Anything.
So obviously,
it's
you know better.
Basically, it was saying that we should be follow the Prophet all the time, not just on a limited basis for a month or just have a poetry. We need to implement all his his sunnah.
Yes, sir.
So that's what it was. Yeah. Okay, back to our Java.
Yes.
So we have like we give the main package name is a holiday, and then we have the
Yes.
int and for, if and else is there.
Yes. Okay.
And
Let's think about. We would like to add one more condition.
okay.
If we would like to put one more condition, then how could we implement? Can you do it? Like let's create some condition. Like if the holiday is greater than 10, then it is a celebration day, and if the holiday is between 5 and 10 days, if the holiday is 5 and 10 days, then we can tell it's a monthly holiday, And if it's less than 5, then we can tell it general holiday.
Okay.
Can we do it?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. Just forget about the printing thing. Just we are making the condition. So if holiday is greater than 10, it's a celebration day. That is fine, wonderful, no problem.
Mm.
Then, if the holiday is less than 10 and greater than 5, then we understand it's a annual holiday. Sorry, monthly holiday.
Month. Okay.
Monthly. And if it's less than 5, then it is general holiday.
Okay.
Can we do it?
Yeah.
Or you can tell it by yourself, no problem.
Okay.
What we need
So
to do.
we need to mention here.
We have to add some more condition. If we need to
Okay.
add some more condition, then we have to add by else if.
Also, okay.
Add a if after the else.
Okay.
But actually not. This is what we are doing. We are
Right.
making a new else if else block.
Okay.
By the way, I forgot to tell you that this total is a single package. All right, single thing. It works like a single body. If you put if at the top and end with the else only, then it will act like a single body.
Okay.
All right. So if you start with if, then it will also making another part or another package.
Yeah. If
They are
and
different.
then it
They are
goes
totally
else.
different. Yeah, they will be totally different, different mechanism. So we have to put the condition here after the else, if. All right, instead of here.
Okay.
Okay, if we go to our
Still have some little cough.
conditional, are you getting my point, Hamid bhai, or is
Yes.
it is
So we are putting one more condition.
pardon?
So we are adding one more condition.
We are adding one more condition. So if else if is here, so at the last of the line, we have to write else,
Okay.
because every if statement will have to close by else. In your
Else.
booklet, page number 13, in your booklet, page number 13, in page number 13, there's
Yes.
an if else statement example.
Yes.
So first example, if number is less than 4, number is 6, and if the number is less than 4, then it is under or else. If number is less than 4, then do this, else do that.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
It is telling
So
Java that if number is less than 4, can you find? Did you find it?
yeah, page number 13. If
13.
announced.
13.
Yeah, 1-3.
13.
Yes.
If
And it says
number is less than 4,
yes.
if number is less than 4, do it, or if else
Else.
do that. All right, this is the basic thing of if else. If If this is true, then do that, else do other stuff. This is the structure of if else. Are you
Okay.
getting this or?
Yes.
All right.
It's say on this page 30 that if number less than 4, which is system dot out print line under 4 else system
Do other.
dot
Do other things
system.
or
Yes.
do that.
Okay, and then you say else.
Sometimes we made some command. Sometimes we made some command to some other people that
Yes.
if it is like this, then do this, or if it not, then do other things. This is the same thing in Java. Actually, computer people are taking the concept of the human being, basically.
So I can after this class I can try all these pages.
Why not?
Writing down.
It will be so nice.
Yes. Okay.
This is so expected.
Yes.
And also, in the second example, if number is less than 4, the second example, example 3, public class, if example 3, did you find it?
Yes.
If example 3, this example telling us that if number is less than 4, do this, else if number is equal to 4, do that, else do other thing. Am I
Why
right?
it has
You
two
got
times equal?
Hello?
Why it has two? Yeah, why it has 2 times equal?
All right. This is a very good question. Actually, at the beginning, integer num equal to 6.
Yeah.
Integer num equal to 6. In our school mathematics or in our daily life mathematics, what is the meaning of num equal to 6? It means that someone is equal to 6.
Right.
But in Java, it means that put the number 6 inside num.
Okay.
Put the number 6 inside the num, or we can say assign the value 6 to num, num.
Okay.
Or on other word, we can say let the value of num is 6. Or the appropriate thing should be make the value of num 6.
Yeah.
Okay, we are changing the value of num actually. This is not the equal to sign as we do in our everyday life. This is not the equal to.
Okay.
The everyday life of equal to is not this. So let's come to page number 12. Would you please?
Okay.
So
Conditional.
here,
The if statement. Yes. Yes.
if
It has a symbol. Equal is the equal to
equal to,
compare.
yeah, this is a compare sign.
Okay.
Equal to, and below the equal to there is greater than sign. Greater than sign. They are used to compare. They are used to compare, but not for assigning some value. They're just used to compare. If num is equal to 6, or if num is greater than 6,
Yeah.
what if the num is greater than 6? Or what if the num is less than 6?
Yeah.
Then it will return true. If num is greater than 6 and this is true, then it will return true. And if the number is less than 6 and we are assuming please come to, yeah, we are at page number 12. Okay, if
No.
the example 1, please come to example 1, page number 12.
Right.
If
Public class, if example,
num,
public,
example 1,
yes, integer num is equal to 6.
6, so value of num is 6, we know that.
Yeah.
We assign value of num equal to 6. We assign the value already 6. The value of num is 6. So
Yeah.
we are comparing at the second line. If num equal to 3, we are comparing.
Yes.
We are not assigning the 3 inside the num. We just comparing.
Compare.
If num equal to 3 or not.
Yes.
Yes, it's not equal to 3. So if it is not equal to 3, then it will return a false signal.
Okay.
It will return. If the statement is false, then it will return false.
False.
Yeah. If the statement is false, then it will return false. And if it return false, what happened? If num equal to 3 is returning false, this statement is returning false, what will happen? It will return false,
Yes.
and this the block here, you can see the if block.
Yes.
The pointer will never visit inside the if block because if is false.
Okay.
But if the condition is true, maybe we can think num equal to 3, and then we are going to compare if num equal to 3, then it will return true. If it's return true, then the pointer, the Java compiler will visit and execute inside the block. Let me do this for you. Mhm. I don't know. I'm going to very tough example before the easy one.
No.
So holiday equal to 5. So if holiday equal to 10, then celebration day. Else what here? Other day. All right. So this is a comment. This have no impact on the code. This
Okay.
//
Yes.
Okay. So this have no impact on the code.
Right.
All right. So let me type as vice. So what will do? What it will do? Is it the same program or in your booklet? Is it same thing or different?
Page number 12.
Yeah, page number 12, example 1. Is it same?
Yes. If is equal to 6, if integer number is 6, and the other one is If the
Integer holiday
number,
is 6,
yes,
and if the holiday, we will check if the holiday is equal to 3.
3.
If the holiday is equal to 3, then we can print holiday celebration. Hmm.
Yes, yes.
Either do nothing actually. Either if it's not equal to 3, then we
Do
don't have
nothing.
any code to execute. All right, there is empty space. So let's run it. Where is the output?
Should be sitting down.
Here is a console. Can you see my mouse?
Yes.
All right. If you click it, then it will appear. You uncheck it, it will go. Okay. Let's run it. So nothing is appear in the screen. Why?
Because maybe some error.
No error actually. Because of our conditions. Integer holiday equal to 6. What is the value of the holiday?
Holiday is 6.
Holiday value is 6. And if holiday equal to 3,
3. Okay.
we are
Can we
comparing.
not? Yes.
Is holiday equal to 3? What do you tell? Are you sure holiday is equal to 3? No, it's not 3.
No. No.
It's
It's
6.
6.
So this is false. False statement. Am I right?
Yes.
Is it false? Yes, it is false.
Yes. False.
So if it is false,
It will stop it.
if it's false, if this statement or this condition is false, then what will happen? What programmer will do? What compiler will do? Compiler will not visit this block. Hello?
Yeah.
Compiler will skip. Compiler will skip this block. Must.
Okay.
Compiler must skip this block if the statement is false. Like if you have $3, then you can buy pizza. So
Yeah.
this is the condition. If you have $3, then you can buy pizza. This is the condition. If someone don't have $3, then
Cannot.
then the pizza shop will be skipped. Okay, pizza will be skipped, or he couldn't buy pizza, or the pizza block he could not go inside the pizza block. All right, the situation is same also here. If the holiday is equal to 3, if it is false, then the compiler are not allowed to visit inside this block, if block.
Okay.
I think you will be more clear if you see the video offline. I am recording as I am recording this. Definitely, I will give you the video link in the WhatsApp, also in the email, so that you can visit the link and check the video, and it will be much easier, I think. Inshallah.
Okay.
And if the holiday compared to holiday is 6, then what will happen? Then this statement inside the if block, inside the if condition, the statement is true. Is it true? Holiday is equal to 6. If we like to compare with 6, what it will return? It will return true, because actually holiday is 6 and we are compare holiday with the 6. Then so it's true. Is it right?
Yes.
Alright. So it is true. True. So it is true. Then what will happen? the compiler will be allowed to visit this block, particular if block. Only the holiday value of holiday is 6.
Yes.
Compiler will allow to visit particular block only if the holiday is 6.
6.
So this is the if statement condition checking. We are checking the condition. Like else what could we do if we like to say something like, if you have if someone have $3, then he could buy a pizza, else please buy a chocolate. We can suggest that guy, if you have $3, please go to pizza, please buy a pizza. Else we can give suggestion, please buy a pen, or buy a chocolate, or buy a candy. All right, what we can write for it, for this condition, what we can write? We can write else. This is the else block, but both of them are making a single elements. Hello, Hamid bhai?
Yeah.
Okay. Both of them are making single elements. However,
Yes.
maybe your end is a night time. I'm going to close soon.
Yeah.
After making this example,
Yes.
system dot out dot print print line print ln.
Okay.
What we can
No,
tell,
it will.
what we can
It will.
say something like do other thing, or
Yeah.
this, if the holiday is 6, then it's a celebration day, or if else other holiday. Other holiday, or we can understand it's other holiday. Yes.
Okay.
We can write this, or we don't need to write this. No problem. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
But it matters when the situation came, when actually you need someone to do this or do that. Right. So this is the if else things, and later I will continue some if else with you. But now I think it's all right. Please, I think you understand the what inside this. Actually, this is a condition statement.
Right.
It will return true or false depending upon its items, compare item. The compare things, what the compare things return actually when we go to market, we just compare this chair to that chair, this price to that shop's price. Is it true or false? If it's true, then we understand that same price. If it's false, then we understand that that price is higher, much higher than this price. This product price is much less than that shop price. This kind of compare we always do in our real life. And by comparing, we took the decision, like this product is much higher than that product, that shop product. So we could buy this product. So we are taking decision by depending upon by checking the compare or conditions. So okay, sir. Thank you. Inshallah, I'm sending you the video link, and I hope you check the videos and do some practice in the booklets. And we'll see it, inshallah. I will be available or at this time, this same time, inshallah, tomorrow. Maybe we can check on the tomorrow.